How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem. Without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you have stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, update WhatsApp. Go to Play Store. Now search for WhatsApp. If there is any update, simply tap on the update button and update to the latest version. Once done, you need to restart your phone. Sometimes a quick restart can fix temporary glitches. For that, hold power button on your device and swipe towards restart option. Now check whether the call unavailable problem has been resolved or not. If not yet, you can try clearing the cache of WhatsApp or trying a different networks. So if this problem is still exists, ask the person you are calling to try the same steps. The issue could be on your end as well. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.